Kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 10 ya ũtongoria wa Mbicobu Joseph Ntombura, kanitha wa Methodist gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ũkoretwo na ngucanio mahinda kwa mahinda. Gĩkundi kĩa atongoria a kanitha ũyũ matarĩirie thĩna ũrĩa ũgũmĩire kanitha wao, makiuga Mbicobu Joseph Ntombura nĩwe kĩhumo kĩa ngucanio ici.
Our only issue is the continued stay of Reverend Ntombura in the office of the presiding bishop long after his term ended.
Wanting to be a bishop or a presiding bishop is not a bad thing, but there are ways that are laid down by our constitution which they don't want to follow. And these are the ways now we want to really tell them to abandon and get serious in adhering to the rules and the regulations.
Kũringana na gatiba ya kanitha wa Methodist, Mbicobu agĩrĩirwo gũtongoria kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 10 na ndangĩongererwo thikũ ona ĩmwe o tiga amemba a kanitha ũyũ mangĩona kwagĩrĩire mĩaka 5 thutha wa kuma wabici.
After serving 10 years, 2 terms of 5 years each, you cannot add any more, even a day, without the intervening period of 5 years. The presiding bishop is not properly in office, and he should have left the office to somebody else. So we need to organize how to elect somebody else into the office so that we can continue in fellowship at our church.
Maya magithie na mbere, Ntombura augĩte ndakwehera wabici nginyagia mwaka twerekeire wa 2024.
We are trying, or I'm trying to show responsible leadership by making sure that the church remains united.
Within the Synod leadership, whose membership is represented by members of the Standing Committee here present, we all affirm and conclude that there is need for serious intervention to prevent a possible collapse of unity within the Methodist Church.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ngũnjiri wa Wanjohi.